Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FC26 not opening or launching. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the client where you got the game, right click on it, or properties, installed files, browse. Then you need to find these three files here. So if you don't see exe, you just need to press view, show, and file name extensions, and then right click on them all, do the same on them all, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as admin, and do with all of them here. Also make sure that your Windows update is up to date. There is no new updates, and your GPU as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA app for me. I can go here, go to drivers, and install the latest drivers here. Also, if the FC26 is not loading, try to load as admin. Okay, so open file location, and then as you can see here, we need to go to a, this is not the one that I am looking for. So I just need to go to Steam, right click on it, properties, install files, browse. And then here FC26exe, and then make sure to run as admin and look if the problem persists after that or not. Also, you can open the game via EA anti-cheat game service launcher. You can click on it and it should open as well. Also, you can clear your client cache. And to do so on Steam, you just need to press on Steam here, and then you need to go to set, then go to downloads, and then clear cache. The game will restart, not the game, the client will restart, and then you can check it. If you're using EA, quite similar, you just need to press on horizontal lines here. Then you need to go to view, or help, app recovery, and then you can clear cache here as well. Next thing what you can do here, again, go to EA Sports FC26 properties, then you need to go to installed files, browse, press on installer, then you need to go EA anti-cheat, and then click on EA anti-cheat installer exe, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and here select FC26, first press repair, and then select the folder, and then first for me I need to install because it's not installed. So first install, then repair, and if you press install and repair, update, and it's not working, uninstall and install it again and look if the problem persists. Another thing that you can do here is to go on Steam again, FC25, then you need to go to install files, browse, and here you need to select, basically copy the link of the folder where exe is, and then you need to go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to add a desktop app, then you need to paste that particular code, and then add exe file, right? And trial as well. And then what you need to do here is to press this little arrow and then select high performance. Do the same here as well, high performance. Another thing that you need to do here is to open up a Windows Defender Firewall, and then allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, and do the same, paste that particular link, and then add the exe and trial. If you're getting error, don't worry, it's already added, and if it's not, if you're not getting, you will add it here, right? And trial as well. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then what is just to do here is to write run on search, then write %local app data %, and then delete EA desktop, basically cache files. Don't worry about it, it's just the cache files, it won't affect the game client itself, just delete it. Of course, first of all, you need to just completely close the app, and then it will let you to delete it. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I help you out, please press like.